Hello everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home Design and Decor. Now thank you so much for your support on the channel. By the way, if you've never been to my channel before, welcome. In a previous lesson I showed you how to calculate how much tiles or hardwood you will need to finish your flooring in a given space. Now that is in the instance when your finishes come in boxes that have the number of square footage that's in the box. So then you just buy them by box. But what if they don't come in boxes and you just came upon some very lovely tiles that are probably at the Habitat for Humanity, for example? I will show you exactly how you calculate how many tiles you will need if you have your tiles and they're not in boxes. Okay, so we will be using a room that's 18 feet by 12 feet. Now, for ease of calculation, we'll just use a square room here. However, I will link for you a video in which I showed you how to calculate your space if the room is not square and it has inches in the measurement. And the tile that we'll be using is an 18 by 12 tile. First thing I'll do here is, let's see how many square feet are in your space. And to do that, we multiply width times length to get our area. So let's do some long multiplication. So it's going to be 18 times 12. 2 8s or 16. Take the 1 over here, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Now let's put a 0 to hold the unit space and go on to the tens. 1 8 is 8 and 1 1 is 1. Now let's add this, and 6 1, that's 216 feet square. So this whole space here is 216 feet squared. The tile is in inches. The room is in feet. So what we'll do here is calculate how many square feet are in this tile. And to do that, we will do the same here. We will multiply the width times the length. So how do we get the square feet? Because they're 12 inches in a foot and we're dealing with square, it's 12 times 12 is 144. So we take the 216 here, 216 inches square, and we divide that by 144, 1.5. So this is 1.5 feet squared. Now we have the square feet for the tile and we have the square feet for the room. We can go ahead and divide. So we'll take 216 here, feet square, divided by the tile, which is 1.5 feet squared, 144. So that's 144 tiles. However, it is always suggested that you go with overage, and overage is usually about 10% of what you need, which is 144 times 10% equals 14. So we'll add 14 to the 144, and that's 8 151. So we will need 158 tiles to finish our space, and that is accounting for any boo-boos, any broken tiles, any. I hope this is helpful to you. Please leave me your comments and your questions below. Share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.